everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video we are going to see the multiplication of monomial by a monomial and monomial by a polynomial. Okay, again we are going to see in the algebraic chapter. Okay, so first when we multiply a monomial by monomial, first we'll multiply the coefficient and then we multiply the algebraic parts of the monomial. Even if you multiply with a polynomial, a monomial, in that also we will first multiply the coefficient of the given expression and after that only we will multiply the algebraic parts. Okay, so let us see with an example. First one, minus 4ab into minus 2ab. Okay, so what are the coefficients here? AB's coefficient is minus 4. So first we will take this minus 4 and in this second algebraic expression minus 2 is the coefficient and after that we will multiply this AB. Okay, so AB. So minus 4 into minus 2 you will get 8. That is minus 1 minus will get cancelled. You will get 8 AB as the answer. Is it right? No, this is not right. Why? Because we should not just write this AB as we do in addition and subtraction. Okay, here we are multiplying these two expressions. Then what we will do? A squared B squared, because we have got 2AB here. So A into A squared and B into B squared. So you will get 8 A squared B squared as our answer. So don't do it in the addition and subtraction. Okay, so here we are multiplying, so all the terms you have to multiply. Okay, don't put AB as such. Okay, you have to multiply A into A and B into B, the like terms. Okay children, do you understand? The second problem, 4 A squared B squared C into 3b cube c power 5. Okay, so first we will multiply the numerical coefficients. What are they? 4 into 3, right? And after that we will multiply this a squared into b squared into c into b cube into c power 5. Like this we have to multiply all the algebraic parts. Okay, so 4 into 3 you will get 12 as the coefficient and a squared is only single term is there and b squared and one b cube is there. So we will add just by using the law of exponents. Okay, what is the laws of exponents is, if the bases are same then the powers can be added. So b power 2 plus 3 you will get b power 5. Again c, if c is mentioned here, it is understood that it's c power 1. So c power 1 into c power 5 will get c power 6. Okay children, so our answer will be 12a squared b power 5 c power 6. Do you understand how we have to multiply? Another example we will see. Third one, 2x into 3y into 4z. Okay, first we will multiply the numerical coefficient. 2 into 3 into 12. Okay, sorry 4. So 2 into 3 into 4. Again we have got the algebraic terms as x, y and z. So x into y into z. Okay, so we will get 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 24, 24 x, y, z is our answer. Do you understand how we are doing it? Next we will see a monomial multiplying by a polynomial. Okay, see monomial multiplying with a polynomial, right? See, in order to multiply the polynomial, given polynomial by a monomial, first you have to multiply each term of the polynomial by the given monomial. Okay, using the distributive law we have already studied in the number system. Okay, let us see with an example. So 3a multiplied with 4a plus 3. This is a monomial, this is a polynomial, because this expression contains two terms. Okay, so first we have to multiply all the terms with the monomial, that is 3a multiplied with 4a plus 3a multiplied with 3. Okay, first monomial with one term and monomial with the second term. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and a into a squared, plus 3 3s are 9, just write a. So our answer is 12a squared plus 9a. Okay children, next we'll see with another example. Okay, so 3x, let us take, this is the first one, second one, a squared and 2ab plus 3c. Okay, so we are going to multiply a squared with 2ab plus 3c, right? So a squared into 2ab plus a squared into 3c, right? So a squared is here and a power 1 is here, so we'll get 2 a power 3b, right? By the law of exponent, bases are same, so we are adding the powers, so we are getting a cube. Next, a squared 3c. So first we will write the numerical coefficient and we will write the algebraic expression after that. Okay, so 3a squared c. Okay, do you understand how we have to multiply? If you have any doubt in this session, you can comment me in the comment box and we'll see it in the next session. Take care. Teaching you all the algebraic problems in both the 7th and 8th and 9th standard. I am combiningly showing you the types of problems, whatever you'll do it in the high school classes. Okay, and if you want to see my chapter triangles and its properties, rational numbers, everything you can watch in my videos. I have completely work out all the problems in the videos and you can watch it through that video. Okay, and don't forget to share our Wondermax channel to your friends also. Thank you.